Hi Marilu, this is Devin from SEO Dallas, Texas. Thanks so much for watching this video. In this quick video, I'm going to show you 3 easy ways to beat your competition online starting today. You're probably wondering why I'm making this video. It's simple. I found out a little while ago there's a lot of small business owners out there that are spending all their time running their business, taking care of their customers. They typically don't know how to make the internet work for them and bring in more customers. And really the only thing holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who is not an expert. And so I found that by making these attack plans and just giving them away for free, a lot of business owners still end up raising their hands saying, you know what, Devin, I like you, just take care of this for me. So if at the end of this all you see I've got some tricks in my sleeve and you want me to help you, give me a call and we can chat. And if you want to do this yourself, that's okay. This is free education with no strings attached. What I'm going to tell you about today, Marilu, is going to be content, backlinks, and citations. Content's everything on the front page of your website that Google crawls through to determine what keywords to rank you for and where to rank you for those keywords. Keywords are just terms that people search into Google to find your business, such as like Electrician in Cypress. Now, Google wants about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page to consider you an authority, and that includes all the text that you can read, all the text behind your images, and then whatever your images are saved as. So if you look at your website, I like this little thing you got going on here where it's rotating. It's really nice. You got a good amount of content on here. It's pretty good. Now, it's not exactly where you want to be. Google's going to want you to have about 1,500 to 2,000 words, but that's definitely something you work on. It's my recommendation. And also, save your images as content. So these numbers, you can say this such as like Electrician Cypress or Electrician in Cypress, stuff like that. Same with this one. You can do that for all of your words. Whatever you save them as, it counts as content. Now content, as far as your main competitors, you got RHK Electrical here. They don't have that much, so 1,500 words is going to blow them out of the water. And Dempsey Electric, they got a little bit more, but again, 1,500 words is going to blow them out of the water. Now content is king, but it's not the end-all fix-all. The missing piece of the puzzle is called backlinks. Backlinks are important because Google's like a popularity contest, and look at how many other websites are linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. Not all backlinks are created equal. You get a lot more power from other electrician companies linking to you than you would from like Pizza Hut linking to you. Obviously, you're not a pizza company. So there's a tool I will use to check this out. It's called Ahrefs. It costs about $1,000 a month, but it does give you really valuable data on what's going on in the back end of the website. So I think it's pretty worth it. It says my Jolt Electrical has 3 websites linking to it right now. RHK Electrical has 40 websites linking to them. Dempsey Electric has 27 websites linking to them. However, look at this traffic. 537 a month versus 4 a month. This would be really nice to get. So my recommendation for you to get this type of traffic, because that's a lot more business for you, is to go figure out what links these guys get and add a bunch more on top. So all these links they have, you can go out and get links from these ones, especially like findelectrician.com is probably a really good one for you. You could also copy RHK and get their links too. Same thing, just go through and get links from all the same places. So that's that. The last thing I'll talk to you about is going to be citations, and these are important because when someone types in Electrician Cypress TX and they're ready to buy, they're typically going to call the first contractor that shows up that seems trustworthy, and you want to be that electrician because those are the easiest customers to close. A lot of people skip these ads right here because they have ad blockers, but they've also just had bad experiences in the past, and so people just skip them on purpose. And so you want to rank yourself right here in the Google My Business or local map pack section. And to get here, you need more citations than your competitors, which are just anywhere that your name, address, and phone number are listed in different directories across the web. Directories being like, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor, Yelp, Yext. These are all really common ones. They're just places you can list your business information. So my recommendation here is to figure out what directories your competitors are in, list yourself in those same directories, and then add a bunch more on top. A good 30 to 40% should give you a nice space cushion. So once you take this number 1 spot, it takes them a long time to catch up to you. And all you typically have to do is maybe an hour or 2 of work per month to continue holding that number 1 spot and getting all those easy close customers. That's all I've got for you, Marilu. I hope you found this really informative. What I went over today was content. I would definitely recommend getting your website up to about 1,500 to 2,000 words just to show Google that you are the authority. As far as backlinks go, you'd only have to get about 45 to 50 more websites linking to you, and you could just take the same links that your competitors have and then add a bunch more on top if you want. The more the merrier, as long as they're good quality. Excuse me. The last thing is copy your competitors' citations, figure out what directories your competitors are listed in, list yourself in those same directories, and add a bunch more on top. So Marilu, again, if you want to do this yourself, like I said, this is free education, no strings attached whatsoever. I'm happy to help you out. All I ask is you give me a couple words of feedback with response to this email. Even 1 sentence would be really, really helpful. And if you want me to help you get the stuff taken care of, just give us a call whenever. Our phone number is 214-441-6737. Really appreciate you taking the time to watch this, Marilu. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.